Okay guys, so this is day 2 of feeding my sourdough starter, and I have come up with a name for her. Her name's gonna be Stacy, and y'all are probably like, why would you choose the name Stacy for her? Well, it's because Stacy's mom has got it going on. Sorry, it's late and I'm probably delirious, but so on day 1, I already messed up. I told y'all we're learning together, but I didn't know that you were supposed to use filtered water. That's okay. They said it's okay if you used tap water. It just might be a little bit slower in the process, but today I got spring water, which is said you can use spring water. So we're gonna start doing that today. So we're going to do 60 grams of water, 60 grams of flour today. Remember that water, flour do not weigh the same. So it's actually gonna be 1/4 of a cup of water and 1/2 of a cup of flour. So I've actually already measured that out with my scale over here. 60 grams, and then I've got my water right here. And then we have Stacy that is all ready. And even though I used tap water, you can see that she is starting to have a few bubbles in there, which is a good sign. So I did not kill her. So one of the things that I made sure I did was that I got a mason jar that had the wide lid so that hopefully it's easier to pour my flour in without making a mess. So I am going to go ahead and put her in there. And actually on the recipe that I found online, and I picked it because it was rated 4.9 stars. I felt like, okay, that's probably a pretty good starter. It showed that on day 2, I should just leave it alone and watch it. But because I used tap water instead of filtered water or spring water, I was like, I'd rather go ahead and feed her today and just get like the right kind of water in there so that it can like work its magic and start, you know, performing for us. So once again, here is our filtered water this time. And then the same thing as yesterday, we're just going to mix. And it is a little bit past 10 o'clock. I got where I was watching a new show on Netflix, and I might have watched it past 10, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be the exact same time every day. You know, just as long as it's like somewhat around the same time.